Kaspa is the fastest and most scalable instant confirmation transaction layer, operating on a groundbreaking block DAG structure within a proof-of-work engine. It is important to note that transactions on Kaspa can be easily included in the ledger, enhancing efficiency. However, it should also be noted that the MetaMask wallet available in the market today does not support Kaspa. This is because Kaspa runs on its public ledger and is not integrated with Ethereum Virtual Machine, EVM. In other words, Kaspa has no RPC or chain IDs within the MetaMask architecture. Before we dive deeper, a quick shout out to our sponsor, MyCryptoView. MyCryptoView is an incredible online platform where you can learn and share knowledge about crypto. You can stake, farm MCV tokens, and take advantage of various MCV tools. Plus, some of the fees go back to MCV liquidity, making it a great community-driven resource. Check it out to enhance your crypto journey. Now, let's continue. However, the void is filled by OneKey, a third-party wallet with the capability of a browser extension just like that of MetaMask. OneKey offers an easy solution to navigate through the territory of Kaspa and its novel approach to blockchain architecture. Step 1. Go to OneKey official extension download page. Step 2. Click on the Chrome button. Step 3. Click on the Add to Chrome button. Step 4. Click on the Create Wallet button. Step 5. Set your password. Step 6. Copy your recovery phrase and don't share it with anyone. Step 7. On your wallet dashboard, search and select Kaspa. Step 8. Click on the Create Account button. Once you've successfully created your account, you will see a similar screen to the one shown on the current screen of the video. Sign up for more crypto tools and educational crypto topics at mycryptoview.com and subscribe to our channel.